driving? Do you like my driving? How do you see my driving? I was driving. I
want it again.
You want it again? Ah, you're too heavy. You're too heavy. Slim girl like you're too heavy. You don't even have big nash and you're heavy like this. You're heavy. Let her feel makeup see me now. How can a beautiful lady like this walk on a barefoot? I think something's wrong.
Babe, are you okay?
You like pretending too much. Ohima!
Hello.
You like pretending you stand aside. Ohima!
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Really?
Yes, of course. Yes. Watch out!
Yes, please. This is Oga Barnabas. What? No. Please tell me. Tell me. He said what? My contract was terminated. How now? Please tell me you are joking, please. I said, please tell me you are joking. What? No, I won't believe that. I won't believe that. What's wrong? My contract terminated? Why? What happened? No. Please tell me you are joking now. What is all this now? Shit! And it can never be possible. What do you mean? Shit! Samilete, by who? Who does that? Who does that? No! Go on this TV. Off! Oh God. No. Fuck.
Jesus! What the witch? Jesus! What a witch! What a witch! Wow! What a witch! Painful! Whoop! The Chinese will say whoop! Ajay! Wow! What a witch! Maya! Wow! Oh Jesus! I thank you. That this powerful witch did not kill me. You are so good. You are so God. God, thank God. Jesus. What a witch. You know why you say Ajo. Wow.